Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we will dive deep into Dashword, exploring its features, benefits, and drawback to help you decide if it is the right tools for you to use in 2025. So to get started, Dashword is like a super bright helper for writing. Imagine having a friend who knows everything about writing for the internet and getting your website seen by a lot of people. That's Dashword. It gives you all the resources you need in one place. You get help with finding the right words to use, which is the right keyword report. Dashboard also has a content optimization tools to make your writing the best it can be. These tools help you write SEO optimization content on your website, show up a high on research engine like Google. Basically, Dashboard help you write awesome stuff that people really likes to see online. So talking about the top benefit about this platform, it comes with a wide range of benefits. One of the key benefits of this platform is it comes with an effortless, the keywords mystery, they stay ahead of the curve, together with the content optimization made easy, and a lot more. Talking about the pricing plan, it comes with a wide range of pricing plan. For example, we have the starter plan, we have a business plan, and also we have a professional plan. So you can just get back to the website, check out which of the plan will be a better option for you and which of the plan will be a best plan for you to write your AI writing content. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.